Natatandaan niyo ba yung movie ni Justin Timberlake na In Time? What if? Totoo na palang nangyayari yan. Yes mga ka-budget, according to Everplans, may nilabas na technology which is ang Death Watch. If you want to ruin everything, wear the ticker watch at $69 which counts down the date of your estimated death. Grabe naman, nakakatakot yun, di ba? And in life, mga ka-budget, meron daw tayong dalawang dates na alam sa buhay, which is the tinatawag na DOB or date of birth, and yung isa is the DOD or date of death, which is hindi natin alam kung kailan mangyayari yung date of death. Dahil tayo ay puno ng what ifs sa buhay, dahil ang buhay ay long and it is eventful. At may apat na events daw na dapat pinaghahandaan sa